Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made these beautiful Ankara slippers using a flip-flop slippers. If you are just joining us on this channel for the first time, please consider to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. So let's jump straight into the video. So guys, I use scissors, UHU, glue gun, my flip-flop slippers. I needed something round, so I used my hair cream cover to make circles. Then we use African print fabric. So my fabric, this is about 1.5 inches width, and the length is length is 46. So I will use this to wrap my flip-flop slippers. What we'll do now, we'll have to fold one edge of the fabric a bit so that it will cover our rough work or rough edges. So I will apply my UHU to one edge and fold like this. I will do that to the last part of this fabric. So when you are done folding one part of the fabric in, we'll go ahead and start wrapping our flip-flop slippers. I'm just trying to put this in shape. You apply your UHU here just to secure the fabric down. So we'll start wrapping. Use this edge that we folded to secure this edge, this rough edges. So that means we'll be folding it on the other part, that rough edge part. You'll be folding this fabric on it. You see the way I am wrapping. These rough edges, this neat edge should be on it when you are wrapping. You see, this one should cover this rough edge. I just dump straight to this point. I will use the same from here. Now if I will need to fold this edge to inside so that we will not have any rough edges, I will apply my UHU and fold inside. So when you are done, remember we started from here. When I got here, I jumped straight to this point. Then from here, jump straight to this other side. We'll continue wrapping. So you continue wrapping. My fabric is about to finish. I will add UHU gummy and seal it off. So we are going to start with another fabric. This is another small piece I have already cut out, and I've folded this edge like ½ inch. I've gummed it too, so we'll start using this one to wrap. Remember I said this edge, this knit edge should be the one lying on this rough edges. So I will apply my UH. We'll start using this one now to wrap. Wrap like this. Your knit edge should cover your rough edges. So I'm almost at the end of the slippers. I don't want the edges here to be rough, so I will go ahead and also gum this other edge too, so that we'll have a neat edge on the both side of the fabric. So I have neat edges now. Go ahead and wrap. To secure it, I'll cut off this excess now. Then apply UHU. Wrap it up. So this is how it looks like. So now I will show you how I design the top with my patterns. So on your fabric, we need circles. This is what I use to make my circles. I just open it. You place it. This is the wrong side of my fabric. This is the right side. On the wrong side of your fabric, you draw out circles, as many as possible. So I will trim them off. So after cutting out, this is what I have. You cut as many as possible. I have so many of them here now, so I will go ahead and use my glue gun to fold. You fold 1, 2. You apply your glue gun to the middle and close it. 1, 2. That is what I will be doing for the rest of this one. So now I am done. This is what I have. I need a smaller circle, so I will first place on these slippers first. So I will just trim little out of this circle to make it smaller. Okay, I'll place this one here. I'll use my glue gun. Just add a little, and I'll add this here. So now I will be attaching these petals together to their self with the help of my glue gun. Look at the way I'm attaching. This place that is open will be the one that you put at the edge. This place that is sealed will be the one that you'll be gumming. So I have actually added 5 petals. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is, I've added 5 together to themselves. I will go ahead and add others too. So this is what I have. I'll wait for you to try a little. I'm just holding them in place for you to try. So this is what I will be attaching on my free flow slippers. I will add glue gun here, then I will add this on it. You have to be very careful with this glue gun. It's very hot. Just hold it down to dry. So this is what we have. This is the transformation from flip-flop slippers to Ankara slippers.